how to fix call ended issue after iOS 18 update. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the dialer or the phone app on your device and then go to the keypad from the bottom bar. And now type in *31# and then call. And this is what you will see. You will see settings will be succeeded quickly after that. Swipe down and enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and then turn off the airplane mode again. Next, set most compatible network system for call. So launch the settings application and tap on the cellular option and scroll down and tap on the network selection option and turn it off. Now select your SIM card and go back to your main cellular data settings and then tap on cellular data option and then tap on voice and data and try to select the available network around your surroundings. If it is 5G, then set it to 5G, or if it is 5G auto, then set it to 5G auto, or if it is 4G, then set it to 4G, depending on what you have. Also, make sure to enable VoLTE to have better voice over call. Next fix is to eject and insert SIM card. So go ahead and try to eject your SIM card from your iPhone and wait about 30 seconds. And after that, reinsert the SIM card and then check if your issue is fixed or not. And if not, then go ahead and launch the settings application and tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings to fix your issue. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix call ended issue after iOS 18 update. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.